students. This video is for grade 10 for revision purpose. We are making this video as your board exam is approaching. So in this video we are going to cover the first chapter, real number. I am going to provide you some set of questions for revision. You can solve these questions, and apart from that you can do extra questions also, but first you need to do these questions which I am providing you one by one. Okay. So the first question is, prove that 3 plus root 3 is irrational. This kind of question normally comes in exam for 3 marks. Please note here that root 3 is irrational is not given in the question. So first you have to prove that root 3 is irrational, and after that you need to prove the rest of the terms in the given expression. Now let's move to the second question. Here, if root 5 is irrational, prove that 3 minus 2 root 5 is also irrational. As you can see that here root 5 is irrational already given in the question. So you don't need to prove that root 5 is irrational. You simply start proving by directly taking this expression. So these are the two questions. Next question is from fundamental theorem of arithmetic, which says that every composite number, the prime factor of every composite number is unique. So using that concept, you can solve question like, prove that 6 to the power n can never end with 0. So here you will use fundamental theorem of arithmetic to prove this question. The fourth concept is from HCF and LCM, which says that the product of two numbers is equals to the product of their HCF into LCM. So using that, there are two types of question which you can do. For example, if HCF of 3, 3, 6 and 54, these are the two numbers, is 6, find their LCM. So which concept you are going to use? HCF into LCM is equals to the product of the two numbers. So this is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. HCF into LCM is equals to A into B. Again, another type of question on same pattern is from HCF and LCM is, if 65 and 117 is expressible in the form of 65 minus 117, then find 65 n minus 117, then find n. So these are the questions. Apart from that, again 1 mark question is 1 mark question. One more question I am going to provide you. Prove that 3 into 5 into 7 into 11 plus 11 is composite. So here you have to prove. So these are the short questions, and the last question will be a word problem from HCF and LCM. So that we cannot guess, but definitely you can try any word problem question from HCF and LCM. So one trick I will tell you that wherever the words are like greatest, largest, you need to find the HCF, and wherever you find the word like least, lowest, you have to find the LCM. So you can practice those questions from any sample paper, any book, and if you have doubt in any question from the questions which are written on the board, then you can leave your suggestion in the comment box. In the next video, I will try to solve those questions.